Hi friends, today I am going to give you a visit of my balcony garden. This balcony garden space is 5 by 6 square feet and it's located on 60th floor and it's attached to master bedroom. Friends, it's two wall, that is left and right wall I painted. See, this is hand painting done by me just by using simple wall paint. Similarly in left side I painted. This is Almanda vine and these paintings are bamboo plants painting, and same plants I placed in front of this wall, that these are bamboo plants and this is Almanda vine. I also added some of the artifacts. See, this is the handmade nest. These are natural nest made by some birds. To arrange these plants I used a step type of bench. See, upper step and another is lower step. The height of the bench from the ground is around 6 inch, so it's easy to clean the balcony. In right side I selected long heighted plants because my balcony facing simply a wall, so I simply blocked that view by plants. In upper side I added one grill. See, the purpose of this grill itself looks so beautiful, and its purpose to hang some hanging basket and to claim these vines. You can select any type of vines, whatever vines you likes. I selected rose vine. This is rose vine. This is jasmine. Left side I selected lavender vine. See how beautiful is it? And I selected different type of plants to create diversity, and the types of plants is such that they blooms in all seasons. Few plants blooms in some season, few plants bloom in some season, so there should be some flowers in my garden in all seasons. See, in front side I created a curtain, such type of curtain so air can pass easily. See, to create this curtain I used curtain vines, and I placed these curtain vines on those vertical planters because I'm not having much space to put uh, other planters, because I need enough space for sitting purpose too. Left side of my balcony facing natural lake and mountain, so I didn't block that view. In this side I kept only short headed plants. See, this is adenium plant. It looks so beautiful, and flowers also too beautiful, and some succulent type of plants. See, like some snake plant. This is snake plant. You can add some cactus too. Added different type of vines. This is jasmine, bougainvillea. See how beautiful. This is golden bamboo, ficus. This is also one of the ficus type. Exora. See how beautiful flowers they are giving. snake plant. Snake plant are also different types, so you can select all types. Aloe vera, see. So friends, you select different type of plant to create diversity. Add some of the bonsai plant too. See, I added this banyan tree bonsai, other is adenium tree bonsai. They also adding beauty to the garden. Vines, some long heighted plants, some succulent type of plants. Add some natural stones, water fountain, because when water falling that time it's giving so soothing effect. And choose those type of plant which are rough and tough type, so you need not to take much care. Whenever you are planning for your balcony garden, first you consider space. Keep in your mind that after arranging your plant there should be enough space for sitting too, so accordingly you give order for benches. And then after planning for space, then only go for plants. And in nursery you select different type of plants which suits to your space, and then arrange them according to the location. Like, see, I arranged vines near to this green and other vines near to that front green, because here I am having upper green for hanging. Like that only you can arrange your plants. How friends, my guidance is helpful for you. If you are having any questions, you can comment. I can give you whatever suitable answer. Thanks.